Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check size of photo on iPhone. And here's how it is done. First, let us open the Photos app and navigate to a random photo. If I want to see the size of this photo, including both its file size in megabytes and its dimensions, all I need to do is swipe up on the photo with my finger. This will reveal some details. For instance, it shows the photo was taken with the ultra-wide camera and the resolution is 4032 by 3024 pixels. The file size is 2 megabytes and it was captured using the 12 megapixel camera. If I want to adjust the photo size, I can tap Edit in the top right corner. From there, I can choose Crop to trim down any unnecessary blank space. Cropping the photo will reduce its dimensions, which will also help decrease its file size. This is especially useful if you need to send a smaller file to fit within the size limits for emails or text messages. And that is everything you need to know about how to check size of photo on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.